Hello everybody, my name is Edwin. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In these videos we've been going over GitLab, its features, and presenting a workflow for small to medium-sized organizations. If you like this sort of content, please remember to give the video a like. It helps us out a lot. If you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to the channel so our videos show up in your feed. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll be sure to get to them. Alright, so in this video, we're going to be going over templates and project templates. Templates are just a way of taking projects that you've already created and allowing you to duplicate them inside of other groups and other projects. So to get started, you're going to want to go to the root where you're going to want to share the subgroup. So here I have templates and then I have this DevOps group. And what I want to do is share templates with DevOps. So I'm here in the root, eMundo, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the settings, and in the general tab, there is a custom project template. I'm going to click that, and then there's going to be a drop down. It's going to search for a little while, and then it's going to let me pick. I could pick the DevOps, which means that all the groups inside of DevOps will be shared, or I can pick this template. I'm going to click the Save Changes, and that's pretty much it. I can now go into DevOps and create a new project, and I want to create a project from a template, and you're going to see three tabs up here. The built-in ones, these are ones that come with GitLab. Instance, these are things that the system administrator enables for the entire instance. And then groups, this is the one that we're looking for, and you can see that I have the three projects that I had in my templates directory available to me now when I want to create a project based off a template. I'm going to pick the Python base, I'm going to click use that template, and after that it's basically like creating a brand new project. So I'm going to call this one, let's just call this math demo to be in line with the other projects that we've created. And I think I have to rewrite it all out because it didn't give me my project slug. And then I'm going to create the project. This is going to import it for a little bit. It shouldn't take too long. Depending on the size of the project, this could take longer, but it's already done. And you can see that the template that we had in our template directory, the one that we created earlier in this series, is now available to my DevOps subgroup, and I can create templates from it and create as many as I want, and that way I have a nice starting off point. I have my CI/CD pipeline that I've already designed and all the boilerplate stuff that comes with Python, or that is needed in Python. There is a couple of caveats though. If I go into settings and pages, you'll notice that the pages for the API documentation and the test coverage hasn't been generated yet. That's because the pipeline hasn't run. And also the URL here is not correct. It's using the old URL. So what we're going to do is we're just going to edit the URL. I'm going to actually go back one directory and I'm going to grab this DevOps math demo portion, right? That is the part that we're most concerned with, and then I'm going to go back here and we're just going to update our readme.markdown. And you're going to see HTTPS, GitLab, Sandbox, eMundo, and then it's going to say that, oh, it's going to the templates Python base, and that's not where we want to go. We want to go to DevOps math demo, and we're going to just change that URL up. And we're going to commit that changes to the master branch. And now if we go back to our project, our pipeline should be running. So we're going to just wait for this pipeline to finish, and I'll be back when it's done. And I'll show you that the pages were generated in the README. Well, I can show you the README now. The README has been updated. Okay, we're back and the pipeline succeeded. It finished properly. So I'm going to go back to the math demo project home, and I'm going to click on my URL, and you can see that it redirected me to the API documentation and the coverage. I can click around and everything is working as intended. I could look at my Pytest coverage and everything's working just fine. And that's pretty much it. That's templates in a nutshell. Hopefully you guys learned something new today. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Yeah, like this video if you guys liked it and learned something, and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more of these kinds of videos in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.